This is why you can't stop yawning when your friend does. It's not magic, it's your brain at work. Let's break it down. Yawning is super contagious. Scientists think it's because of something called social bonding. When we see someone yawn, our brains go, "Hey, copy that." It's a way humans connect and show empathy, kind of like a secret handshake. Even pets like dogs can catch our yawns. So next time you start a yawn chain, remember, you're just showing you care, one sleepy face at a time. Now, did I make you yawn yet?